Hey, what I wanted to show you were just the different types of foods, so there's carbohydrates, proteins and fats. And you'll find that all food is composed either of all carbohydrates, so sugary types of things, proteins for building, or fats, or will contain a bit of all. So milk will contain a bit of sugar, a bit of protein, a bit of fat. Something like oil will only be all fat. So the types of foods that we classify as carbohydrates do tend to be plant foods. And this would include all your vegetables, all your fruit, all your grains and cereals, so wheat, rye, rice, and anything we make from those, so flours, muffins, cakes, sugar, alcohol. So all of these foods, all carbohydrates, because they're plants, they're kind of made up of a bit of fibre, water, vitamins and minerals, and sugar. Now the sugar might come in the form of sucrose or galactose or fructose as in fruit, but essentially it's sugar. So when you put sugar in your body, even if it's healthy sugar or bad sugar, you get a rise in a hormone called insulin. And that leads to your blood sugar level will go up as the sugar gets sucked into your body. Then as the sugar in your bloodstream goes up, your body squirts out a little hormone called insulin. It grabs a hold of that sugar and takes it into the cell. We'll come back to that because that's quite important. Proteins tend to be all your animals. So all your meats, meats. Anything that comes out of them like eggs, dairy, cheese, fish. And then there's a couple of exceptions, legumes, which are those soybeans, chickpeas, cannellini beans, mainly beans, and pulses. And nuts and seeds are a brilliant source of protein. Now an interesting thing happens when you put proteins in your body, you get a different phenomena occurring. A different hormone gets released called glucagon. And glucagon's a beautiful hormone because it works in tandem to insulin. So we can use that relationship together to stop you gaining weight and to balance blood sugars. Now with fats, they tend to be good fats, and your body needs the good ones, or they're also called omega-3s. And they can be found in things like deep sea fish, coconut oil, any sort of plant oil generally is a good oil, olive oil, sesame, canola. And nuts and seeds are also quite good. Almonds, macadamias, avocados as well. So they've got those beautiful omega-3s which keep your skin nice and supple and moist, anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, anti-inflammatory. They're brilliant. Bad fats, and you still need a few of these but not a lot, tend to be animal fats, so pork, chops, the fat that comes off animal meats, and palm oil is also a bit disastrous. So most foods will be composed of some carbohydrate, protein or fat, or be one of those sources.